Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this video, we will show you how to add checkboxes in Word. Let's say we are making multiple choice questions for a survey and want to add checkboxes before the different answers here. Word allows you to add checkboxes so that users can fill in the survey digitally. First, let's move the cursor and click on the start of the first answer here. You can see the Word cursor line blinking here. Now we will move to the Developer tab at the top ribbon here. If you can't see the Developer tab at the top, move to File and click on Options from the menu. This would open the Word Options pop-up window where you would need to move the Customize ribbon option. Over here is the Customize this ribbon section. Make sure the Main tabs option is selected from the drop-down menu. Moving to the list, you would need to enable the Developer option here by clicking on it. Once you click on OK, the Developer tab would appear on the top ribbon here. Once in the Developer tab, click on the checkbox icon in the Controls section here. You will see that Word will automatically add the checkbox where the cursor was placed. Now we can copy and paste the checkbox by selecting it using the Ctrl-C key on the keyboard, moving the cursor to the next line, and pasting it by using the Ctrl-V key. Similarly, we can copy and paste the checkbox for the remaining answers as well. Now, once we click on the checkbox, you can see that Word shows the checkbox as selected by showing an X over the checkbox. You can change how the checkbox looks when it's selected. So, let's select the checkbox here and move to the Developer tab. Over here, let's click on the Properties option. Click on the Change button next to the Checked symbol option. From here, you can select any icon from the list. For example, in the font WebDings, you can find the tick icon here. Once you double-click on it, you will be taken back to the Content Control Properties window. Now, when you click on the OK button, you can see that the selected version of the checkbox has been changed. That's all.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.